Hello. Today we are going to be making a table. This table is gonna be 10 feet long and 5 feet wide. It's gonna have casters on the bottom, wheels to push it around, and it's going to be made out of steel, and I am going to weld it together. So right now we have all these pieces of tube steel. It's like square tubes. and so we measured, we're gonna cut, we made our list of parts by the measurements. We decided we needed 4 pieces that are 9 feet 4 inches long. So that's what we just cut. And we're gonna cut the rest of it, and then we're gonna get to welding. So we have these pieces of tube steel. They are 10 feet long and they are 11 gauge and they're 2 inches wide. So I'm marking these at 4 foot, and then I'm also marking them at 8 foot. Portable bandsaw to do this. I'm going to mark each side, then I'm going to cut and turn it. That way we can have a square cut when we're done. All right, looks like I got the marks all the way around. Now it's time to cut. I made this jig with my Freeman square here, lined it up, got the factory cut edges on this side, and now here's all my rough edges over here. We're gonna grind it down so they're all even, and then we'll prepare it for the weld. Just about time for the fun part. It is day 2 of our table building adventure. And so far we have the top done, welded together, and now we're building the bottom. It's gonna be almost like a square, well, a rectangle shaped box. We'll put wood on the top and wood on the bottom, and there's gonna be steel frame. So I need to finish welding, and we're gonna cut more pipes for the center supports and the legs. Let me get to work. We've got the table welded, the top and the bottom, and now the bottom is the top one. And we have these legs. They're just being held on with magnets right now. We're gonna go around and weld them all, then we'll flip it over or put the top on and weld that. Then we'll be closer to being done. I know I'm supposed to be out there making a table right now, but I think I'm just gonna come in here for a minute and bake a pie. Or 3. I think I was gonna pour it all in half a cup. See, 1. Pies. So we got the table, the legs welded on. Right now it's still upside down. So this is the very bottom. And this is where the wheels are gonna go. We got holes drilled and we got it primered. And we are now about to paint it. So we're just gonna brush on a coat of oil-based Rust-Oleum paint. So we're going to put on these casters. They are capable of holding 1,000 pounds each, so total will be 4,000 pounds. The reason we chose these is because they are locking, they swivel all the way, and they have a grease fitting for a swivel and also a grease fitting for the wheel. So we'll put these on now. Good morning. This morning we'll be putting the boards on the top of the table. We're not going to put them on the bottom yet because we want to stain it. If it drips or anything, we don't want it to get on the bottom boards. So we'll be making the top of the table today. Look at how good that looks. It's coming along really good. I'm really super happy. It looks so good. It's a good table. So it's raining and it's nighttime, but we've got the stain on the table, and I want to show you what it looks like. It is just so beautiful. Let me flip the camera around. Look at this. Look at that color. That is so beautiful. Well, it's raining, and it's been raining for days. So I want to just get this video out to everybody. I wanted to have a nice sunshiny day so you can see how beautiful the table turned out. But we have it under the lean-to, and it's not completely done. We still have to put the bottom on, but we still have to do the top. We need to put some more clear coat on it, make it nice and shiny. We got a friend who does a lot of metal work, and I wonder what he'll say about these welds. Hey Darren. But we got it done. It looks good. I'm happy with it, and I'm super excited for you to see it in future videos when it's complete and I'm using it. So just remember, if I can do it, so can you. Take care. Bye-bye.